Hello everyone, this is Karen. Today I want to show you another way to attach your amulet pendant to a string in 10 seconds. Yes, in 10 seconds. Actually, there are several related videos before and they are all very simple. Today's video is just a demonstration. The length and size of the string depends on the size of your amulet or your other pendants. All right, let's do it. Okay, get your donut shape pendant ready and then the string. Thread in the pendant and then pull the string over like this and separate in the middle with your 2 fingers. Now turn your donut 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and pull the string slowly. Turn it around. Adjust the knot a little bit. And it's done. Practice a few times. I'm sure you can make it. Similarly, you can use this way in other pendants of different shapes, as long as the string fits through the hole. Okay, thank you for watching. I will be filming a new video of how to spot fake citrine during the Chinese Dragon Boat Festival. So stay with my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.